station. Can't burn a boy if you're bad, let's see. Your dad left home from young and you ain't done shit for your mum. Oh man, oh man.
Hello guys, thanks for tuning in on another episode of Bam the Petrol Head. And on today's episode, we've got my guy Will.
What's happening, Bam?
Come on. He's brought his beautiful Volkswagen Golf R Wagon to the channel. And yeah, it's a wagon. It's absolutely mad. And everyone loves the States. Come on, you got to love one. And this is an R, so it's going to be lit, this episode. It's pushing 375 brake horsepower. It's had some cool mods done. So guys, stay tuned in for this episode. It's going to be lit. I'm really liking what you've done with the badge there. I can see you put the little carbon fibre on it. I really like that.
Yes.
So tell us what other mod you done with the front end.
Right, so the front end started off with the carbon fibre overlay.
Yeah.
Eyebrows to match.
Of course, you have to.
Over the car, there's plenty of carbon fibre accents.
Yeah.
The German badge.
Yeah, necessary.
Nice little touch. Nice little touch.
You know what it is, yeah? The front actually looks nice. It gives it like a nice stance on it, if you get what I mean.
Nice aggressive look.
Yeah, definitely.
With the darkness.
You really wasn't joking when you said you had carbon fibre all over, innit?
Bam, carbon fibre.
Come
accents everywhere. Wait till you see the steering wheel.
come on. So obviously she's been lowered, innit? So like, tell us what's she sitting on then?
Right, so recently just put Raceland coilovers on.
Yeah.
Dropped it roughly 50 mil all the way round.
Okay, low.
Real low.
Come on.
Real low. Handles really well.
Yeah. Obviously it's still got the four-wheel drive, so it doesn't affect it or nothing. It's still good.
No, all still good.
Yeah.
Perfect, really.
Yeah. Okay, I see you wasn't joking here. Like, you literally carried on with the black badge and the smoke lights. Oh, I'm loving this. I'm loving the back. It looks super tidy.
It's a nice little touch. Starting with the black badge, smoked lights.
Yeah.
Again, at the top, smoked. The reflectors also smoked. Maxton lip.
Yes.
Very nice touch for the estate.
Literally, it makes it look so tidy, doesn't it?
Obviously, the black tips down at the bottom. Sprayed them myself. Had to be done.
Had to be done.
Yeah, very nice, subtle little mods.
Yeah, I like it. It's like literally, it's so tidy, you know, at the back. It's really clean here. Like,
Thank you.
This is what you call a proper estate. Like, this is not like any other Golf R I've been in, like, especially any other Golf R wagons. Like, I can't believe you have so much carbon in here. It's absolutely ridiculous. Amazing. It looks beautiful though. I love it.
It does. So starting off with the carbon wheel.
Yeah.
Diversion stores, absolutely smashed it.
It looks beautiful, mate.
Alcantara, blue stitch.
I love the paddles as well.
Paddle extensions. Has to be done, mate.
So where'd you go to get that sorted then?
So the paddle extensions are at eBay.
Yeah.
Like I said, diversion stores with a custom wheel. Carbon overlay to complement the steering wheel at the back.
Really great job.
Hand laid that myself.
Yourself?
Nice little project.
How did you find that?
2 weeks.
2 weeks?
2 weeks.
Yeah.
It was would have changed a few things, but I mean it turned out well. I'm pretty happy with it.
It looks pretty well as well. So it was a good job done.
It complements the wheel nicely.
Definitely.
And again, carbon fibre on the gear select.
I've not actually seen that before.
It's a nice little mod.
Yeah, I've not seen
the little things.
Yeah, it's the little things that make the big difference. Like, literally, this car's carboned out.
It is. Not enough carbon.
Yeah, not enough.
Not enough, but
it's a start, isn't it?
It's a start. It's a start.
You got the Apple Play there as well.
Apple Play again, yeah. Got that done.
Yeah, man. You definitely need that. Yeah, it's a must, isn't it? It's like an update. You got your maps and your phone. Everything's on there. It makes it much more easier. That house is going for it. Oi! Whoa! Bloody hell! Yo, this is fast. It's fast, isn't it? It's fast. This is what you call a sleeper. This is fast, yeah.
That shift. JFA with the map.
Yeah,
Jay killed it.
He killed it with the map.
Absolutely killed it. BSG gearbox mapped as well with the TCU. Beautiful. Just
because it's a wagon, you just don't think it's gonna go that fast. I know it's an R, don't get it twisted. I know it's an R, but it's just like, boy, oh, that exhaust as well. She just flies. Oh, I love this car. I love it. The way you've been low, you really feel the ground as well. It makes it so much more better.
It's planted.
What's it like handling wise then?
Yeah,
it's great, isn't it?
It's good. Obviously, I need to get the top mounts done, get the drop links done as well.
Yeah.
Now I can lower it down a little bit more. And it'll be much more planted.
Yeah.
Much more planted.
Just in due time, innit? It's not really hard. Yeah, it's still fine anyway. It's still fine the way it is rolling.
not a big fan of the rubbing at the minute.
Yeah, who is? It causes, you know what it is? The rubbing makes so much more other things happen. That's the problem, you know? Like, yeah, man, this is such a nice little smooth drive. Even though it's lowered, it doesn't feel too bad, you know?
I mean, the Raceland coilovers, they're pretty good. It was smooth on the springs, VWR springs. Yeah. But the Raceland coilovers, so chuffed with them.
Yeah, that exhaust sounds nice and beefy as well.
Nice little res delete on there.
Yeah, the res delete, it makes a difference.
Gives it a little raspy sound.
Yeah, raspberry, innit? So what was your first car then, like?
So my first car, 1 litre Corsa.
Okay, like everyone, innit?
Like everyone, back when I was 17.
Yeah.
Moved on from the Corsa B to the Corsa C. Yeah. And then the Astra H.
Oh, that's an upgrade.
And then from the Astra H I went to the Insignia Sports Tourer. Yeah. And I've ended up with the Wagon 7R.
Okay. So what made you go for the Wagon then?
It's a bit of a long story, but I cut it short. Finance come up on the Insignia, so I went to look at a Golf GTD. Yeah. Down in Brighton. Yeah. Got it shipped up to Folkestone. Okay. Went to pick it up from Folkestone, walked into the showroom, see the Wagon R, and
it was over.
It spanned my mind. Yeah. I had to walk away with it.
But it does look really nice. Like what you've done with it as well already. Like it's a lot. You've done a lot with it already.
A lot of subtle mods. A lot of subtle.
But that makes that's what makes the big difference. Do you know what I mean?
Makes it tasty.
Yeah. I do like the subtle mods. You got any plans for the future with it?
It would be nice to see it over 400 brake.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Nice.
You're not far off it. You're not far off it.
Not far off. But that little extra, I think will be the cherry on top.
Yeah, it will be.
400 brake, 410. I think that would be nice with a stage 2.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, I've not got all the hardware for that, but
in due time, innit?
In good time.
Might have to do a little part 2 and see where you get this. I mean,
if it does go to the stage 2, I'll definitely be coming back.
Definitely.
Most definitely be coming back.
Okay, so I know there's a lot of pros of having a wagon, like obviously there's a lot of pros. But so tell us some of the cons, like what's some of the negatives?
The cons, as you could probably hear there.
Yeah.
Coilovers. Yeah. A little bit too crashy for my liking. Yeah. Being the budget coilovers. Yeah.
But it's not that bad, is it?
On a smooth road, not really noticeable.
But on a road like this, you can hear it.
On a road like this, you can definitely feel it as well. Yeah. Very stiff. A lot crashier than the VWR springs. Yeah. But on a flat road, perfectly. The Raceland coilovers can't fall.
Okay guys, today was absolutely lit. Big shout out to Will for coming on the show. I really appreciate him for that one.
Bam, thanks for having me, mate. Been
yeah,
a pleasure.
Man, big one, man. Come on.
Hopefully I'll see you again when it's more power.
Yeah, man. What, you got Insta? Anything for the people to hit you up?
Wagon 7R on Instagram. Hit me up.
You heard him, Wagon 7R, hit him up on Instagram. It's Bam the Petrol Head, and guys, I absolutely love this car today. It's been a wonderful time out in Kent. I really do appreciate that, and I really do love a wagon, guys, and this one here is literally a special one to me. I hope you all enjoyed today's episode. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got much more content coming for you.
Party drugs, I'm the one that got the party ton. Bro, say I'm going on dumb. I won't leave that trap alone. Come like I'm young in love. Got a toxic relationship with Stacey, but she won't cut me off. Can't be breaking even no more, Brody, I must see prof. Came to the band, oh